In front of me is REALME Narzo 35G, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So it's super quick and also easy operation. All you need to do is to tap on power key and hold it. So you will find it at the right edge of your device, and then slide to restart. Now just wait a couple of seconds until it's done. And that's it. As you can see now, you can use your device in a normal way. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.